A season of sorrow. Psalm 31. In you, O Lord, have I taken refuge. Let me never be put to shame. Deliver me in your righteousness. Incline your ear to me. Make haste to deliver me. In our deepest grief, earth's fairness fades and removes itself from all suffering within the world, becoming a season of sorrow, where impassive signs and forebodings begin to reign as we fail to remember whom we are, our brightness gone, our gardens longing for heaven's light, reflected once in a decency lived. In this darkness we witness our death through a single loss amid the hardness of life. We do not know how to live among the dead. In the anguish of our complacency, remorse haunts us. An illusion steals our breath away. In our inability to breathe, in such rigidity and fear, we lose the point of living, as if it too has moved elsewhere and is lost, while heaven bears witness. Watch now, we are being transformed through a deeper memory at work within the world, at a point which comes much later, when a season of hope restores the light.